Before we start the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like for more videos like this. My first day at a new job. Hello. My name is Daniel. I am 23 years old. I want to tell you about my first day at a new job. Last Monday was a very important day for me. It was my first day at work. I felt excited, but I also felt a little nervous. Early morning. Woke up very early, at 6 o'clock in the morning. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock, but that day was different. When I woke up, I stayed in bed for a few minutes. I thought about my new job. I asked myself, will I like this job? Will the people be nice? Then I got up and went to the bathroom. I washed my face and brushed my teeth. After that, I took a shower. I wanted to feel fresh and ready. Getting ready after my shower, I got dressed. I chose my clothes very carefully. I wore a white shirt and black trousers. I wanted to look clean and professional. I looked in the mirror many times. I wanted to look good. Then I prepared my bag. I put my phone, my wallet, a notebook, and a pen in my bag. Breakfast time. I went to the kitchen and made breakfast. I was a little nervous, so I did not feel very hungry. I ate some bread and cheese and drank tea. Mother said, "Good luck." I said, "Thank you." Going to work at 7:30, I left the house. I decided to go early because I did not want to be late. I went to work by bus. On the bus, I felt nervous. I thought about my new job again. I looked out of the window, but I did not really see anything. I was thinking too much. Arriving at the office. I arrived at the office at 8:15. The building was big and modern. I went inside and talked to the receptionist. She was very kind. She said, "Welcome." Then she showed me where to go. When new people. I met my manager first. His name is Mr. Brown. He smiled and said, "Welcome to the team." Then I met my coworkers. There were many people in the office. Some people said hello. Some people smiled. I felt better because everyone was friendly. First tasks. My manager showed me my desk. I had a computer, a chair, and a small table. He explained my job. He said, "You will answer emails, write reports, and help the team." At first, I just watched and listened. Then I started working. I wrote some emails. I read some documents. Break time. At 10:30, we had a break. I went to the kitchen with my coworkers. We drank tea and talked. They asked me questions. Where are you from? Do you like the city? I answered and smiled. I started to feel more comfortable. Lunchtime. At 12:30. We had lunch. I went to lunch with two coworkers. We went to a restaurant near the office. I ordered chicken and rice. We talked about work and daily life. They were very friendly. Afternoon work. After lunch, we went back to the office. In the afternoon, I had more work. I answered emails and helped my manager. Sometimes I made small mistakes, but it was okay. My manager said, "It's your first day. Don't worry." Feeling tired at 4 o'clock. I started to feel tired. It was a long day, but I continued working. I wanted to do my best. End of the day. At 5:30, I finished work. I said goodbye to my coworkers. They said, "See you tomorrow." I felt happy. Going home. I went home by bus. This time, I felt relaxed. I listened to music and looked outside. Evening time. When I got home, my family asked many questions. "How was your day? Was it good?" I said, "Yes, it was very good." I ate dinner and relaxed. Night thoughts. At night, I thought about my day. In the morning, I was nervous, but in the evening, I was happy. I learned many new things. I met new people. It was a good start. At 10:30, I went to bed. I was very tired, but I felt proud. A day in my life. Hello. My name is Anna. I am 24 years old. I live in a small city with my family. I want to tell you about my daily life. I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I get up and go to the bathroom. Then I wash my face and brush my teeth. After that, I go to the kitchen. My mother is in the kitchen. She makes breakfast every morning. We usually eat together. I eat bread, cheese, eggs, and tomatoes. I drink tea. My father drinks coffee. After breakfast, I get dressed. I wear simple clothes. Sometimes I wear jeans and a t-shirt. Sometimes I wear a dress. At 8 o'clock, I leave the house. I go to work by bus. The bus is sometimes crowded, but it is okay. I listen to music or look at my phone. I work in a small office. I am a secretary. I answer phone calls and write emails. I also help people in the office. My job is not difficult, but it is busy. At 12 o'clock, I have lunch. I usually eat with my friend Lisa. We go to a small cafe near the office. I often eat soup or a sandwich. Lisa likes salad. After lunch, we go back to work. In the afternoon, I have more work. I answer more emails and talk to people. At 5 o'clock, I finish work. I go home by bus again. When I get home, I feel a little tired. In the evening, relax. I watch TV or read a book. Sometimes I go for a walk. I like walking in the park. It is quiet and beautiful. At 7 o'clock, we have dinner. My mother cooks delicious food. We eat together and talk about our day. After dinner, I sometimes study English. I watch videos and listen to simple English stories. I want to improve my English. At 10 o'clock, I go to bed. I read a little and then I sleep. This is my daily life. It is simple, but I like it.
My week and my life. Hello. My name is David. I am 27 years old. I live in a small town near the sea. I live with my parents and my younger sister. Her name is Emily. She is a student. I want to talk about my life, my week, and what I do every day. Morning routine every day. I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. I do not like waking up early, but I have to wake up early because I go to work. First, I get out of bed. Then I go to the bathroom. I wash my face and brush my teeth. Sometimes I take a shower in the morning, but sometimes I take a shower in the evening. After that, I go to the kitchen. My mother is usually there. She drinks tea every morning. I also drink tea. Sometimes I drink coffee, but I prefer tea. For breakfast, I usually eat bread, cheese, olives, and eggs. Sometimes I eat cereal with milk. My sister likes cereal, so we sometimes eat together. We talk a little during breakfast. My father reads the news on his phone. My sister talks about school, going to work at 7:30. I get dressed. I wear a shirt and trousers for work. I work in an office, so I wear simple and clean clothes. At 8 o'clock, I leave the house. I go to work by bus. The bus ride takes about 30 minutes. On the bus, I usually listen to music. Sometimes I look out of the window. I see people, cars, and shops. Sometimes I feel sleepy on the bus. At work, you start work at 8:30. I work in a small company. I am an office worker. I use a computer all day. In the morning, I check my emails. I write emails and answer phone calls. I talk to my manager and my co-workers. My co-workers are friendly. We sometimes drink tea together in the office. At 10:30, we have a short break. I drink tea and eat a small snack. Sometimes I eat a sandwich or a biscuit. Lunchtime, eat 12:30. We have lunch. I usually go to a restaurant near the office. The food is simple and cheap. I often eat rice, chicken, or soup. Sometimes I eat pasta. I drink water or juice. I usually eat with my friend Mark. He is very funny. We talk and laugh a lot. After lunch, we go back to work. Afternoon work. In the afternoon, I feel a little tired, but I still work. I write more emails. I organize documents. I talk to people on the phone. Sometimes I have meetings. The meetings are not very long. We talk about work and plans. At 5:30, I finish work. Evening time. After work, I go home. I feel tired but happy. When I get home, I change my clothes. Then I sit down and relax. Sometimes I watch TV. Sometimes I listen to music. Sometimes I just rest. At 7 o'clock, we have dinner. My mother cooks every day. The food is very delicious. We eat together as a family. We talk about our day. My father talks about his work. My sister talks about school. Night routine. After dinner, I sometimes study English. I watch simple videos and listen to easy English. I want to speak English well, so I practice every day. Sometimes I read a book. Sometimes I use my phone. At 10:30 or 11 o'clock, I go to bed. I feel very tired. I sleep quickly, weekend life and weekends. My life is different. I do not wake up early. I wake up at 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock. I have a big breakfast with my family. We eat more food on weekends. After breakfast, I sometimes go out with my friends. We go to a cafe. We drink coffee or tea. We talk about life. Sometimes we go to the cinema. Sometimes we go to the park. I like walking in the park. It is quiet and relaxing. On Sunday, I usually stay at home. I clean my room. I help my mother. Sometimes I watch movies. Sometimes I listen to music. In the evening, I prepare for the new week.
A busy day in the city. Hello. My name is Sarah. I am 25 years old. I live in a big city. I live alone in a small apartment. My apartment is not very big, but it is comfortable. I want to talk about my daily life and one busy day in my week, morning time every weekday. I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I do not like waking up early, but I need to go to work. When I wake up, I stay in bed for a few minutes. Then I get up and go to the bathroom. I wash my face and brush my teeth. After that, I go to the kitchen. I make a simple breakfast. I usually eat toast, eggs, and drink coffee. Sometimes I feel very sleepy, so I drink 2 cups of coffee. While I eat breakfast, I check my phone. I look at messages and social media. Getting ready after breakfast, I take a shower. Then I get dressed. I choose my clothes carefully because I work in an office. I usually wear a shirt and trousers or a simple dress. I look in the mirror and get ready. Then I take my bag and leave the house. Going to work. I leave home at 8 o'clock. I go to work by metro. The metro is very busy in the morning. There are many people. Some people are standing. Some people are sitting. I usually stand. I listen to music with my headphones. Sometimes I read a short article on my phone. Sometimes I just look around. Work life. I arrive at work at 8:45. I start work at 9 o'clock. I work in a company. I am an assistant. I help my manager and my team. In the morning, I check emails. I answer emails and organize tasks. I also answer phone calls. Sometimes I talk to clients. At 11 o'clock, I feel a little hungry. I eat a snack. I usually eat fruit or a biscuit. My coworkers are very nice. We sometimes talk and laugh. Lunch and shopping at 1 o'clock. I have lunch. Some days I bring food from home. Some days I go outside. On this busy day, I go to a small restaurant with my friend Julia. We eat pasta and salad. The food is very good. After lunch, we go to a shop. I want to buy a new bag. The shop is big. There are many bags, big bags, small bags, black bags, colorful bags. I look at many bags. I ask the shop assistant for help. Finally, I choose a black bag. It is simple and beautiful. Afternoon work. After shopping, I go back to work. In the afternoon, I have many things to do. I write emails, prepare documents, and talk to my manager. At 4 o'clock, we have a meeting. The meeting is short. At 6 o'clock, I finish work. I feel tired but happy. Evening activities after work. I do not go home immediately. I meet my friend Emma. We go to a cafe. We sit and drink coffee. We talk about our lives. We talk about work, family, and plans. Emma says, "Let's go to the cinema this weekend." I say, "Yes, that is a great idea." Going home at 8 o'clock. I go home. When I arrive home, I change my clothes. I feel very tired. I do not cook. I order food. I eat something simple. While I eat, I watch TV. Night routine. After dinner, I relax. Sometimes I watch a series. Sometimes I listen to music. Sometimes I study English. I listen to easy English texts. I repeat sentences and practice speaking. At 11:30, I go to bed. I think about my day. It is busy, but I like my life.
A trip to another city. Hello. My name is Michael. I am 26 years old. I live in a small town, but I like traveling. I want to tell you about a special day. It is about my trip to another city, Early morning last Saturday, I woke up very early. I woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I felt excited because I wanted to travel. First, I got up and went to the bathroom. I washed my face and brushed my teeth. Then I went to the kitchen. I made a quick breakfast. I ate bread, cheese, and drank tea. I did not eat too much because I was in a hurry. Getting ready after breakfast, I packed my bag. I put my phone, my wallet, my keys, and a small water bottle in my bag. I also took a book because I like reading when I travel. I checked everything to times. I did not want to forget anything. The bus journey at 7 o'clock. I left the house. I went to the bus station. There were many people at the station. Some people were waiting. Some people were talking. I bought my ticket and waited for the bus. At 7:30, the bus arrived. I got on the bus and found my seat. The journey was about 2 hours. On the bus, I listened to music. Then I read my book. After that, I looked out of the window. I saw trees, houses, and roads. The weather was nice and sunny. Sometimes I felt sleepy, so I closed my eyes for a short time. Arriving in the city at 9:30, I arrived in the city. The city was big and busy. There were many cars and many people. I felt a little lost, but also very excited. I took my phone and looked at the map. I wanted to visit a famous street. Walking around, he started walking. There were many shops, cafes, and restaurants. People were walking fast. Some people were shopping. Some people were drinking coffee. I walked slowly and looked around. I liked the buildings. They were big and beautiful. Cafe break. After walking for a long time, I felt tired. I found a small cafe and went inside. I ordered a coffee and a sandwich. I sat near the window. I watched people outside. It was very relaxing. Shopping time. After the cafe, I went shopping. I wanted to buy something for my family. First, I went to a clothes shop. I looked at shirts and jackets. Then I went to a small gift shop. I bought a small gift for my sister. It was a cute keychain. I also bought some chocolate for my parents. Lunchtime at 1:30. I felt hungry again. I went to a restaurant. I ordered rice, chicken, and salad. The food was very delicious. I ate slowly and enjoyed my meal. Afternoon activities. After lunch, I walked to a park. The park was big and green. There were many trees and flowers. People were sitting, walking, and talking. I sat on a bench and relaxed. I took some photos with my phone. Going back at 4:30, I went back to the bus station. I was tired but happy. I waited for my bus. At 5 o'clock, the bus arrived. I got on the bus and sat down. Evening journey. On the way back, I felt very tired. I did not read or listen to music. I just rested and looked outside. The sun was going down. The sky was orange and beautiful. Back home at 7 o'clock. I arrived home. My family was at home. They asked me many questions. I gave them the gifts. They were very happy. Night time. In the evening, I sat and relaxed. I watched TV with my family. I talked about my trip. It was a very nice day. At 10:30, I went to bed. I felt very tired, but very happy.